start. So we'll get this loaded up in a couple of minutes. If you've got any friends who will still be at the show that are possibly missed this, give them a call, an SMS, a text, an email, get them over to the mainline Dynalog stand. And of course, just to let you know that this piece of special equipment is the first one that we've got coming into the UAE here. We've got hundreds and hundreds of these around the world, but this is the first one that's going up to RSG Garage up in the back. So we're quite lucky you've got access to this light. So here we go, we're getting the Gallard twin turbo on it, and we're presenting this here through carmovies.de. We're lucky to have him here televising the footage. So if you keep your eyes peeled here, this is going to be a pretty spectacular car. We're hoping that obviously we've got the dyno and above ground setup here, so it's not always best for ground planes. So we're hoping that this is going to go on without any problems. Again, a pretty spectacular car here. So, don't know if anybody else can hear me that's not here. I think you want to be here. Twin turbo, trust me. Been tuning cars for about 20 years now. Worked through various motorsport teams, and even I'm excited with the fact that we're going to dive into this car. So please, get everybody that you know, get them over here, and let's see this spectacle happen. Come back here. This is the most exciting part of the day, of the weekend in fact. Come on, don't disappear. We're going to be running a seriously powerful twin turbo Lamborghini Gallard. And of course remember, if you're looking beautiful, you get yourself a little while. Obviously this is the first one that we've done here, so we just wanted to make sure that this is absolutely perfect. Make sure that it's all tied down and maybe take a few attempts just to get it screens, and keep an eye on the car. Here we go guys, come on, let's see what this is going to do. This is quite something else. Okay, so Pud's just going to the Gallard up on the mainline Dynalog dyno. So this dyno can handle 500 horsepower. Absolutely awesome, but remember people, that is not the power at the engine, that is just the power at the wheels. Now that is just absolutely insane. That man is 666. Now this is where the owner tells us that that was switched to low power setting. Now that would be awesome, wouldn't it? There's no problem at all. So up on the full throttle. Let's see what happens. power. Surely! Come on! Come on, Ford! Do it! Of the car. We've just hit 999.7, never mind 666 on the number plate. But let's see what we can do this time. Here we go, guys. Can we make some noise for this one? Come on, let's see that again, guys. Come on. Wow, that's fantastic.